Oh my god, I can't believe I climbed these yesterday. They literally like go straight up. Alright, let's go. This is absolutely crazy, everybody. I actually got a little nauseous, but I'll do it again just for you guys. And they're all slippery. Oh god. That's alright, let's take our time. Go crazy. Let's go.
Hi, how are you?
I'm alright. I climbed these yesterday and my video didn't turn out, so now I got doing it again. Plus they're slippery. Oh man. Alright. Here's the first overlook. There's the building we were just in. There's the steps. Look. Oh Lord. Look, here we go. Oh my goodness, everybody. And they're slippery. Oh gosh. Okay, here's another overlook. We're getting higher. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can realize how high up we're getting. We're getting as high as these trees. All right, let's go. Oh man, look. All right, here we go. Woohoo! And they're slippery. Oh. Oh my Lord, okay, we're up higher now. Let's look again. Almost there, everybody. Let's go. A lot of steps, right? Okay, we're up higher. Oh my Lord. Like I say, I don't know if you could honestly, there's that building we were in over there. We are high. I mean, you can see the tops of the trees. We're still got these to go. I don't know, did you count all the steps? Now, I didn't walk over here yesterday because it's all muddy. I really don't want to track that in my car, even though my car needs super clean. But I will brush this off. So we can see this. We're talking about all these steps, I think. Let's see. We are super, super high. Okay, everybody, I'm going to end the video up here. I got here, we made it, we're trying it again, the camera, I don't know, it's new to me. Hopefully this time it works. If it don't, I'm going to cry. I will cry, I will be so depressed. But anyway, don't forget, everybody, like, subscribe, and share. I got a lot of steps to go down. I don't want to waste your time on that. I brought you up them. You know there's a lot. But don't forget, everybody, like, subscribe, share. I surely appreciate it. It gives me inspiration to get out. See, I came back here in this freezing cold weather for you guys because it didn't work out yesterday. So on that note, everybody, God bless. Peace out. And you know I'll see you soon.